this chain, you need your card case. Okay, so you start by pick any card. Okay, simple this card, and you put this face down on top of your deck. After that, you secretly do double leaf. Okay, just take like this. So this is double. So you steal the next card. Okay, here. Okay, so after you pick card, put it face down and execute double leaf. For that, you just take your card case. Okay, remember, don't show the face like this, and you just insert these two cards into your card case. First, you can show it is empty. Okay, you not hide something on your card case. Just put these two cards on the card case. After that, remember, this is just a two card. Okay, you just facing you, and you just slide the first card. Okay, the top. Okay, you just slide like this. Okay, so in this position, in this box, it look like this. Okay, so you just, okay, after you put these two card, okay, you just facing you and just slide the first card like this. Okay, and after that, you just pinch. Okay, you just pinch and turn over and showing like this. Okay, this is the starting position. After that, it's really easy. Remember, you just pinch on your card case. To do the color change, you just release and the second card will pull like this. Okay, so remember, okay, put these two card. Okay, just slide the first card facing you. Okay, pinch and turn over, and you are ready. Remember, you just flick and you just tap, and the second tap you just release like this. Okay, one more time from the beginning. Just pick any card. Okay, showing to your audience. Okay, they will remember this is the card. In this case, is 4 clubs. Just turn it face down and execute double leaf. Okay, remember, don't show the face. Okay, they will remember the first card. Okay, here. Okay, just take double leaf. Okay, take your card case, show it empty, put these cards on the box and just slide the first card. Okay, and pinch, remember, pinch hard and turn over, show card. After that, remember, just tap and just release the second card. And to do the cleanup, okay, you just reach over and take this card, and what you're gonna do, push, remember, because this is 2. Okay, you just put this card like this. At the same time, you just open your box and prove that you're not hide something. After that, you just reach only the top card. Okay, after you put here, show here, and just reach like this, and you can clearly show only one card, and you can give this for examination. After that, you just, because there's one card right here, and you just take your decks and just put it like this, and you are clean. Okay, and after that, if your spectator want to check out your card case, you can hand out too with this final card.